Good morning, students. In this video we are going to discuss the new chapter. We are going to take the new chapter, that is the chapter number 12, and very important chapter. The name of the chapter is Area Related to Circles, chapter number 12. And in this chapter we are going to cover the topics. The topics to be covered are perimeter and area of a circle. So we are going to discuss about a circle and its area, its perimeter, areas of sectors and segments formed by the circle, areas of combinations of plane figures. Plane figures means just you have circle is also a plane figure, rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, and then we have some miscellaneous questions. So we are going to discuss areas and perimeters of a circle first. So now this is a circle with center O and radius R. So circle definition already discussed in chapter circle, that if we have a collection of points in a plane and we join it from a fixed point, we get a circle. This fixed point is called the center of the circle and the constant distances are called radii of the circle. So here O is the center of the circle, OA is radius. So radius is a line segment having its one end point on the circle and another at the center. If we produce AO to a point B on a circle, then what you will get? You will get a diameter. So what is diameter? So diameter is a line segment passing through the center having its endpoints on the circle, and diameter is also called the longest chord of the circle. So diameter is, that means 2 into radius, or you can say radius is half of diameter. Yeah, you can say diameter upon 2. Now we have perimeter, or you can say circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle or perimeter or circumference of a circle is always equal to, you can write circle like this also. Circle is always given by the formula 2 pi r, where r is the radius. And area of a circle, these are all formulas you are going to use in this chapter, is nothing but pi r square. You also have read or discussed in the previous classes also. Circumference is nothing but the length of the boundary of this, and area of a circle is pi r square, and a circumference of a circle. So what is the area of semicircle then? Area of a semicircle will be half of pi r square, and what is the circumference of semicircle? Circumference of semicircle that is half 2 pi r, that will be equal to only pi r. But if you have to consider diameter also, if you are going to take it like this only, if we have a semicircle like this and we have to find the circumference, perimeter, then you have to include this diameter also, that means plus d, you will get plus d. Pi r plus d, diameter. So that means circumference of semicircle will be pi r plus diameter, half of the circumference. If we include only this arc A to B, then it will be pi r, but if we take this diameter also, then इसका हम लिखना पड़ेगा pi r plus d. So circumference of semicircle अगर दिखाएंगे इस तरह से, तो आपका perimeter होगा इसका pi r plus d.